Action Detective, starring Detective Rita, co-starring Inspector Houdini, and the damsel in distress, Leon. And introducing Nari, the pirate ghost tree. On this dreary day, Detective Rita had the weight of the world on her mustache. Could she ever unlock the true power of the super action flip? If I'm to complete my quest to become an action detective, I must master this super action flip. Inspector Houdini, I believe in you, Detective Rita. You almost had it that time, Detective Rita. Perhaps one day you will complete this action flip and become the action detective you were born to be. Or perhaps one day you will limit your detective powers and have to use your action powers that lay dormant in yourself instead and complete this action flip. I know. I'll unlock your secret someday, when all of a sudden... Rita, your phone's been blowing up. Who needs saving this time? Thank you, Inspector Houdini. Hello, this is Detective Rita. Arr, 'tis I, Ghost Pirate Tree Nari. Ooh, I have your husband. Oh no! Wait, sorry. I don't have a husband. You have the wrong number. Bye. Wait, I'm from the future. Ooh, I have your future husband. And if you ever want to see him for the first time, I demand you set free old Christmas tree. This is bad, Houdini. We have to save my future husband, and in doing so, we will save Christmas. You're not suggesting... Guess I have to go to the future. But I told myself I would never go there again. But that's when I was in the future last time, which was in the past, which was my future. So I guess I haven't said that yet. Time for a blast from the past. I'll show you a blast. I made an anti-detective potion. No! Houdini, what will I do? Remember what I told you. Be more than a detective. You are right. It's time to do my super action flip.
Nice job!
You're doing it, Detective Rita. That's action detective to you. My hero. That's action detective to you.
Great job, Detective